Good morning, everyone. We are on our way once again. Last night was very cold. It was supposed to be 36, I believe, and the wind chill made it much less. I don't know what it was. I should have picked up a small thermometer. I had an electronic one that was Bluetooth to my phone, but it did not do a very good job out here. I think the cold got to it and just kind of, bumped it out a little bit. Yeah, we're doing only 7.7 miles today. Tomorrow will be Clingman's Dome, which is awesome, highest point in the Appalachian Trail, and kind of our official 200 mark, 200 miles. It's kind of hard to believe, but yep, 200 miles. Only a few more to go. Just another beautiful stroll through the Smokies. That kind of a flat area before you do another couple of elevations, but I mean, it's gorgeous up here. Just about everything I've seen so far has been pretty awesome. Yeah, we got the downsides when that weather comes in and it's cold and windy and kind of miserable. That's one day out of I don't even know how long I've been out here, but one day out of 3 weeks. We had that other day too, so it's 2 days out of 3 weeks. But yeah, I mean, just another walk in the woods out here, enjoying ourselves, hurdling trees as they get in our way, like this one. Although there's a path for it now, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Okay. I might get to hike. Enjoy the day and the sun because it's warm now. The trail, we take these little lunch breaks and stuff like that. It's cool. It's like we get to hang out, sit, chat, laugh, and in Dozer's case, doze. But yeah, a little family get together for a little bit of lunch. And a good meal. Just past Siler's Bald, and one of the few sights we can see through the trees. Very cool, very cool.
A Gallenberg, or what is that?
Probably.
I think so. Oh yeah, we've come a long way. Got about a mile left, I think, to the shelter. Today was an easy day, 7.7. It was going to be an easy day. Bit of a climb, not too bad. But yeah, kind of took our time, stretch the legs. We had a couple of 12-dayers, kind of back to back. And then we'll do this one, and in the morning, we get up super early, take a sunrise off of Clingman's Dome, which I probably mentioned earlier. Yeah, it's still super pretty. Like, all sorts of coolness. All right, here we are at Double Spring Gap Shelter, where we gonna stay for the night. Tomorrow at like 4 o'clock in the morning, we're gonna get up and then make our hike to Clingman's Dome.
That's the plan.
To get a little sunrise. So that's the plan so far. We got Dozer over there. You just saw Pac-Man, Mariposa, Barter Boy's here, Navigator for sure, and Treat Dog. Hey, you.
You already talked about this.
What are you doing here?
We're
I
all
thought you'd
just
already be cleaning stuff.
doing our thing, kind of relaxing a little bit because we've had a few 12, 13-mile days, and then doing a little break, and yeah, stretching out, getting some good food, and then getting up stupid early in the morning. So probably gonna be an early night, but if you don't see another video, I'll see you in the morning.